Well, you might think you know what a heart attack will likely feel like, but doctors say it can actually feel very differently for women.
Yeah, recognizing the symptoms could mean the difference between life and death. 2 News reporter Dana Smith digging deeper into the signs you should know.
The typical most common heart attack symptom of chest pain that travels into the arm can be felt by both men and women. But doctors say women are more likely to experience heart attack symptoms unrelated to chest pain. Things that can be confused for the flu, anxiety, a stomach bug, or just feeling tired.
It's something we've all seen on TV and in movies. Someone dramatically clutches their chest and staggers against a wall.
In the United States, it's the #1 killer, I guess one would say, of both men and women.
But there are an array of other symptoms that can signal a heart attack, especially for women.
I felt uneasy. Something wasn't right.
Natasha Luster cares for scores of patients in her job in the surgery suite at Miami Valley Hospital. But last summer, the shoe was on the other foot.
It was in my chest, but at 37, you just don't really think, and I'm a nurse.
Luster had just finished a morning workout. At first, she thought the uneasy feeling could have been something else.
More commonly, women can have atypical symptoms, how you would describe it.
Premier Health cardiologist Dr. George Broderick says although chest pain is a common sign of a heart attack for both men and women, there are other symptoms that can also spell danger.
It's easy when the symptoms sound more classical, the pressure, heavy, tightness situation, but you're right, other symptoms, shortness of breath, nausea, vomiting, headache, really an exhausted sensation you can't explain, and all of a sudden some doctor is telling you, hey, you're having a heart attack.
The American Heart Association says many women who've had heart attacks experienced no chest symptoms. Other symptoms include pain in one or both arms, the back, neck, jaw, or stomach, and breaking out in a cold sweat. Of course, the hallmark symptom is uncomfortable pressure or pain in the center of your chest.
It's so important because 1 in 3 women are affected. That's 1 in 3 of our mothers, sisters, friends that are affected by this disease.
Luster wound up in the ER. Doctors there cleared the blockage in her heart with a stent, a tube that keeps arteries open. And they gave her a big goal, stress management.
As a mom, as a wife, as a nurse, as a manager, sometimes you put everyone else before you. And so what I had to take away was really learning that balance.
Dana Smith, 2 News, working for you.
And our coverage of this story continues on WDTN.com. You can take a quiz about recognizing those symptoms.